exciting.
Well, it's great. It's a busy day. It's nice to see so many people that love traveling. This is my hobby, traveling. That gives the opportunity, this expo, for people to do some research, to think about their next holidays.
At 11 o'clock, we already had 3,000 people through the doors.
Amazing. They do a good show every year, so we'll all be back. You can see by the sheer number of people how supportive we all are of Stuart and the team at Geelong.
We're always very excited to be part of it.
Very busy. We've had a lot of people through, a lot of interest.
Look, it's been busy right from when the doors opened this morning.
It's been a crazy day, really, really busy, but people are really keen to get out there and travel, so it should be a big one.
Stuart puts on the best expo. Like, I go to expos all around Australia. This is one of the best.
It's almost as big a crowd as a footy game here at Geelong, but it's a great idea, and clearly it's popular, and they want to come here and book tours, which is good stuff.
Fully dueling. I've never been before, so it's like, if I had to look at how many people are here, it's like, whoa.
Local Geelong, keeping the money in Geelong. All these, I see some of the same faces from last year and the year before.
Come to the Expo.
Today's Expo is one of the best events that we do in Australia, actually.
It's been more than a travel expo. It's an actual event. A destination is our travel show.